Heels, stilettos or pumps. You can call it what you like, but these are just a few decorated terms for something that most women believe to be torture devices. Although we have our woes about them, we owe it to our love for heels to learn a few unknown facts about them. Hi, I'm Mohana and I'm here to tear down 6 myths about heels you probably believe. So let's begin. Heels ranging from 1 to 2 inches are actually better than completely flat soles. The short heel supports the tendons in your feet, whereas your flats might cause them to overstretch. Your calves may hurt after your high-heeled adventure, but a strong block heel can tone your calves as you wear them. So next time, don't worry about the pain. It probably means great toned legs. I'm sure this debunked myth has disturbed all the concerned moms out there. But don't worry, mom. Sometimes heels really are the healthier option. Although we have the occasional male fashionista sporting stilettos, the general belief is that heels are made for women. But you might be surprised, heels were actually made exclusively for men. The high heel was made to support and grip the stirrup while riding a horse. Too bad it was women who discovered the aesthetic capabilities of heels. Can you imagine a world where it was the men that wore the heels? I think a little bit of discomfort would give them some humility. Here's a myth all the mommies to be can stop believing. The kind of footwear you choose will not have a direct effect on the health or development of your baby. However, wearing heels has never been a walk in the park. So maybe don't go for the sky-high pumps for a few months. A thick wedge heel or platform shoes with a supported ankle strap would be the safest option. The support comes with a thick heel and the ankle strap will protect your feet from slipping. I personally tend to slouch often. It can happen to the best of us. But I have noticed one thing. Wearing heels forces my body to be vigilant and on high alert. The possibility of tumbling is never at zero. That's why I automatically stand straighter. Obviously, I'm not prescribing you to wear heels to magically straighten your back. But while you're wearing heels, you tend to straighten your body, in turn resulting in the appearance of a straight posture. But remember to not rely on this aesthetic fix too frequently or for a prolonged period of time. The tag of an exclusive designer can make everyone's heart flutter. This tag, however, does not prove the quality or sturdiness of the shoe. If you want a sturdy pair of heels that won't hurt your feet, these are the only things you will need. A thick heel will obviously be sturdier, but the placement of the heel is something you should check. The heel should be placed directly under your natural heel. Any further or behind that will just end up in a topsy-turvy mess. This is the biggest lie every woman believes. No matter how much we joke about it, heels aren't supposed to cause you pain. Let me assure you, there isn't a group of shoe manufacturers getting together and plotting unique ways to inflict pain. Though it may seem like that sometimes. The key is to buy the right sized heels. No matter how sure you're of your size, every shoe brand varies slightly in sizes. So check the feel of the shoe, walk around and stand in them for a long enough period of time to get an idea. If I wear these heels, will my feet regret this later? If you can confidently answer no, only then should you invest in them. Here were a few cautionary tales and tips for you. Here's hoping that you are never stressed about buying or wearing a pair of heels again. Just remember, heels are to make you feel beautiful and quite literally uplift your spirits, not to make you end up in a pool of tears. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.